New Orleans maritime lawyer. If you work offshore and you are suffered an injury, maritime law might apply to your case. When you need help getting the compensation you deserve, reach out a seasoned maritime lawyer in New Orleans for assistance. No matter the type of vessel you work on, whether that be a ship or an oil platform or in some other type of coastal position, when someone else negligent action have caused you to suffer serious injury, you have the right to hold them accountable. Maritime law can be complicated and confusing. Maritime claims are similar to personal injury claims, but there are clear difference between the two. Working with a New Orleans maritime lawyer at Braud and Gallagher can be the best way to ensure that you have the legal representation you need to get the most for your offshore injury. Important maritime law you should know. Despite the fact that maritime law are complex, it is important that you educate yourself about the ones that will impact your case. This way you will be better prepared for your upcoming maritime claim. Below we discuss a zone acid and longshore and harbor workers compensation ACT, both of which will affect the way we proceed with your claim.